What's up, guys? I'm up early on a Sunday morning trying to work on my little network problem, which I just solved. For some reason my network kept fading in and out, so I decided to take a look behind the wall. I couldn't find any more of these particular adapters here, the ones that I have there, and this is all that I have here. I didn't feel like trying to jimmy rig it and make it work, so I went out and got my punch tool, and hopefully, little handy dandy punch tool here, punch down some of the connections, and hopefully that solves the issue. I've been working on my, you gotta excuse the mess, guys. I'm gonna pan around without giving you guys too much of a view of how trashy my place is. Been working on this Linux node here. I installed Ubuntu and what else? Nginx and Node.js and MongoDB. Setting up a fully functioning backend to kind of get away from my school's backend, because I'm taking my capstone project public, which is a small tourism website that I'm very eager to share with you guys, but I'll do that at a later date. But anyway, hopefully we have this network issue squared away. And you guys stay up. Peace out. Sorry if it sounds so sleepy, man. It's Sunday morning. Peace out.